Your butterfly won't hurt me. This planet is mine.
So what do we do now?
Send in Greg.
You sure about this? You know what happened last time?
Look, I ain't happy about it either, but that great unclean one is a massive pain in the ass.
Fine. Greg!
Yes, brother.
Run out that fat blob for us.
With pleasure.
Who's Greg?
Me, a pile of puke.
God, no!
Is he dead?
Greg, you dead?
Not even close.
How does he survive?
I survive because the Emperor deems it so. Now give me more grenades, damn you!
He was a redemptionist, wasn't he?
Yep, we need to stop getting recruits from Necromunda.